if you're doing flat band exercises, it's a senior. So the first one we're going to do is tricep extension. So this one, careful, this wrist, it goes flat on the back side here, and this wrist is turned upward. So this wrist is holding, elbow lock next to you. Same thing here, grabbing of the hand, and then extending down straight. So elbow lock next to you, arm extends down. So tricep extension. Same thing on the other side. Now this one holds, locks here next to you. This wrist is turned up. The back of the wrist is flat. Grabbing the tension and then extending down. So however close the hands are together, that's how hard it is. If they're further away, this is easier, not as much tension. Notice the right arm stays locked next to me as well. So biceps, just exactly opposite of that. The band gets held down at the bottom, flat wrist looks good, and then this lifts up, pulling upward. Same, alternating. This gets held at the bottom. Generally, this is a little bit shorter than the tricep one, and this lifts up to the top, and so on. Then upper back. So hands facing forward for this one. Notice the backs of the wrists are flat, but it's a good firm grip on the band. Then pull the band apart, squeeze the back muscles together, like you're pinching a penny between the back muscles. And then head stays sort of looking down. Don't let your neck look up. Head looks down on this. That's to protect the neck. Back muscle squeeze. Then chest extension. You're going to hold the band on this side, and then forward pull for chest press. This also has a doubles option. So for the 2 and forward. So chest extension here. Leg extension. So what band goes around the foot. Holding on here, extend down. But notice the knee doesn't lock. The knee stays bent. So leg extension. Here. And then same thing on the other foot. Leg extension here. So downward is easier, straighter is harder. Because obviously you got to hold the quad up. So a little bit harder there.